Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Fall Guys not opening keys and quick. All you have to do, click here, then go to graphics settings, make sure to enable this option, hardware accelerated, make sure to enable it, go back and then go to after that you go to GeForce Experience, check for updates and make sure to install the latest update that you can find here. After that, just to start your PC, and after starting your PC, make sure to close all the background applications that you don't need, like an VPN or uTorrent and stuff like that, Steam, and that's it. Now just try again and your problem must be fixed. See you in the next video.